Hey, I'm Ben Marshall. In this video, I'm going to share 5 things that I absolutely love about the Festool Kapex extension wings. Stick around. I bought the Festool Kapex extension wings about 2 months ago, and I've used them on a few projects up to this point. And I wanted to share how they have drastically changed how much more efficient I am in my shop and why I think that you should buy some as well. The first thing that I absolutely love about having these extension wings is that they are literally ready to go right out of the box. As soon as you take them out, you don't have to adjust anything. You don't have to have any special tools. Everything is included. You can literally take it out of the box that you buy it in and attach it to your Kapex. The other great thing about it being ready to go is that you can easily transport it anywhere. It comes with this carrying system that protects the ends of the extension wing so that you can set it down and not have to worry about banging up the extruded aluminum on anything. And really the biggest thing about it being ready to go is that that saves so much time. I am a full-time college student. I'm also a single parent. And so when I come down in my workshop, I'm on borrowed time essentially, because I either have to help my kids out with something, with schoolwork, or spend time with them because I'm either at school all day or they're doing school all day long. And so just having the confidence that I can take this out of the box, set it up, and then it's good to go. I don't have to adjust anything. I don't have to zero anything. I don't have to worry about whether the scale is going to match up. I don't have to worry about constructing anything. They're literally, it's like a plug and play almost. And that's why I love how ready these things are no matter where you go. The second thing that I really love about the extension wings is the accuracy of the cuts that I get with it. These were specifically made and measured to be applied or installed onto the Kapex. And so I know that right out of the box, again, going back to my first point, is that when I put a piece of wood on here, I'm confident that whatever measurement I set my flag stop to be, that it's going to be dead on accurate every single time. And you really can't get that with, at least initially, with a shop made cut scale on something that you make on your own, or even if it's something that you buy separate from another company or another brand. There's still a lot of setup that goes into that. You still have to measure it, you still have to lay it out, you still have to do all these other things, whereas as soon as you install it, it's accurate. It doesn't matter if I take this setup from my shop, I go somewhere else, it doesn't matter where I'm at, I'm going to get accurate cuts no matter where I'm at. The extruded aluminum that the wings are made out of is incredibly rugged and durable. And so I don't have to worry about whether it's going to be accurate based off of the material that I'm using. In addition to the flag stops that are on the normal extension wings, on the extension wings, the parts that pull out, that telescope out, those also have flag stops on them as well. So no matter where I'm at on these extension wings, I'm going to get accurate cuts every single time. The third reason why I really love the Kapex trimming attachments or extension wings is the size of the materials that are supported whenever you want to use it on the Kapex. Right now I've got the telescoping ends extended out to show the full length of a material that the saw can support. And what's even more noteworthy is that this material, depending on how thick it is, could even go beyond the length of these extension wings. And so right now this is 4.8 meters or almost 16 feet of material that's supported on just these wings. And I would like to note that these wings don't take up this much space if you have to store them. So if I were to create a miter station, which I've seen lots of times on YouTube, is other woodworkers, they create this huge work center built around their miter saw, which is awesome. Those things are great. However, they're not good, or that is not, to me, that's not a viable option when you're limited on space. And so having such a tight and compact package in one design trumps building your own miter station or having those roller wheels that you can have on the sides of your miter saw. Having everything, the accuracy, the flag stops, and the ability to be modular in size is by far the greatest thing, well, not the greatest thing, but it's one of the things that I love about these wings. The fourth reason why I love the extension wings for the Kapex is the adaptability of it, meaning that I can either use this on a table, how it was mounted in the previous reasons, or I can have it on a flat surface, completely flat surface. So if you're on a job site and you're having to work from the ground, or if you don't want to have to haul the Kapex stand that you can purchase for it. If you don't want to have to haul that upstairs, you only need to carry the Kapex and the extension wings, and then you can work off of the ground. And what's great about that is that because it's made to be used on the same plane, and that's why it's so great of how this was engineered and how it's thought out. And if you really wanted to, you could bolt down. So if you did have one of those, if you did have a built-in miter station in your workshop, to where the miter station itself was all on the same surface, you don't have to worry about dropping a level down. How I have seen some miter stations where they have their measuring tapes or rails on one plane, and then they have to drop the miter down to a lower plane in order to get the height right. With the extension wings, you don't have to worry about that. You can construct your miter station all at the same surface level, and then using these extension wings right here, there are 2 anchor points to where you could permanently install the wings directly to the miter station. That way you don't have to worry about it moving around on you at all. And the last thing that I absolutely love about these extension wings is that the Kapex is not the only platform I can use it on. I can use it on others as well. I can even use it here on the Conturo edge bending station, or over there. Or I can use them as in-feed and out-feed on my CMS router table. And this is by far the best place to use it, right here on the MFT3 table. Being able to have a longer cross-cutting capacity for a big panel like this that cannot fit on my Kapex, because now I can have a fully supported cut piece. I've got accurate flag stops here that can get me up to 1470 millimeters, or if I needed to use the extension wings, I could. And once I realized that the extension wings for the Kapex, or the trimming attachments as they're properly called, could be used on not only the MFT, but as in-feed out support on my CMS, as in-feed out-feed support on my Conturo MFT, that really changed the game for me as far as what these extension wings were capable of, and how well and thought out and designed the Festool ecosystem is, meaning that all flat table surfaces are at the exact same height. Makes these a universal attachment for all different types of workflows in my shop. And so again, this is by far the thing that I love the most about these extension wings, is that I can use them on more than one piece. And so if you have a small shop like me, being able to have a modular support, in-feed out-feed support, is such a game changer, because it means that I don't have to worry about building in these big miter stations or building in a big, huge in-feed out-feed table. In the past, if I was trying to cut on the MFT, I would have to get like a chair or another table or something to help support the workpiece, and even then I was very limited in my crosscut capacity on larger panels. However, now with these, I'm no longer limited by that. I'm no longer limited by having a small shop. I'm no longer limited by having the small width of the MFT table. And so, again, I know I've said it many times, but this is why I really love these extension wings, is for this one facet right here. This saved me so much time, effort, gave me so much accuracy once I dialed it into my TS75, which is what I use on the MFT. These tables, really this fence and the guide rail are set to the width of my blades, so that means that whenever I adjust my flag stop, whatever measurement I set this flag stop at, it's dead on accurate because of how I reset up the MFT table to account for the width of my blade. So I get accurate square cuts and long rips now, or long cross cuts now, because I get to use these things. All right, so that's it. So those are my 5 reasons for why I love the Kapex extensions. If you really like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to ask me a few questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed up to this point. We are, at the time I'm recording this, we're at 198 subscribers, so almost to that 200 line. Thank you so much for all of the time that you've given to just watch the videos that I make. I really enjoy them, making them, but I really enjoy talking to all of you about woodworking, about tools, about Festool, whatever it is. So again, thanks. I know that I'm rambling. If you want to see what I don't like about the extension wings, make sure you subscribe, because in the next video it's going to be about 5 things that I don't like about them. So if you want to see it, make sure you subscribe. Otherwise, hope you have a great day and be safe.